It's been a while since I've done a car vlog on this channel. I'm not gonna lie. It's not necessarily my fault. It is kind of my fault, but I've had to handle a lot of shit before I could actually start focusing on the new car. You guys haven't even gotten a tour of it, bro. I've been lagging on actually showing you guys the car that I got and everything. This shit is sexy, bro. Don't get me wrong. I love the car. I think it's an amazing car. It wasn't what I was planning on getting next, and it wasn't my plan at all, because as you guys know, with the Civic series, I was planning on keeping the Civic and actually building it up and getting that shit nice and done and stuff. Shit happens, you feel me? Life gets in the way, and it's all good, bro. At the end of the day, what's meant to happen is gonna happen, and what's not, you know, is not. If you guys didn't see that video where I just talked to you guys about how I got the car and stuff like that, I'll put it up on the corner right there. You guys can go check it out. Essentially, my brother blessed me with the whip, so I'm gonna try my best to have it fixed up and have it well maintained and everything, because I'm planning to bless somebody else with it. The headlight bulb on the left or right side, I forgot which side it was, it actually stopped working. That's gonna be something that we're gonna be fixing today. Right now, if you guys are wondering too, we're inside of Kevin's Yukon, bro. If you guys haven't checked out those videos, because your boy has been on a roll with these videos, bro. That was basically just a camping trip that we took. You guys can go check that out if you guys want as well. We're about to go to Jeffrey's house. You guys know Jeffrey from the past videos. We're gonna go over there and we're gonna get right. We're gonna make sure that everything's good. We're probably gonna pull over 24 packs so we could cool off, bro. It's hot as today. Hope you guys enjoy, like always, bro. I'm sorry if I wasn't looking at the camera. Like, subscribe, and share. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, bro, peace. Now since I got a chance, bro, let me shout out the lineup, bro. We got the SRT. This is the homies right here. I gotta show y'all once we leave, bro, but it's my right here, bro. That's the headlights right there, just so you guys can see. This is technically, I guess, the first ever video of us actually working on the Acura. I kind of been giving you guys little sneak peeks and stuff, but now you guys are gonna see it fully. The car is actually very mint. The only thing that I could say that I don't, not that I don't like about it, it's just something that, like, damn, like I want to do something about that, so hopefully fix it soon, is the seats. The seats are a little torn up, the leather is a little torn up, just because the buttons in the back of our pants, they love to cling on to shit, hold on to shit, and then rip things, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but basically it's because of the pants that I wear. So if you got leather seats and you got them metal buttons in the back, bro, just beware, bro, when you're moving around in your car seat and shit. Because of that, the seats are a little torn up and shit, which you guys will see in a little bit, but the car is perfect, bro. I love the car. So it's just gonna be the headlights, the rear rotors, and along with the brake pads. Shouldn't be too difficult, hopefully, and it should be a vibe, bro. It's Tuesday today. It's a calm little start to the week. Main reason why I want to get to the headlights done and shit like that was also just because I had gotten pulled over recently again, bro, if you guys could believe it or not. And when I got pulled over, they're just telling me they could take a point or put a point on my fucking license for it, which is fucking ridiculous. They acting like they don't know what hard times are, bro. Cheers, though, bro. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys been enjoying the vlog. Yes, sir. After work flow. We is not on the clock. I repeat, we is off the clock. Cheers. Do not condone this shit, bro. Welcome back to Pimp My Ride. You want to show real quick? It's the homie Quan. Show him real quick before we start this bitch up.
Ain't nothing much, but...
That's right, Perrito. Appreciate you like always, gang. I'll catch you next time. I'll catch you.
A few moments later.
Little spiderwebs and shit.
Hell no.
We're already starting.
Is that a question?
He faked me.
You're supposed to say, isn't it too early? For what? For stupid questions.
So, cheers, boy.
Cheers.
This is the Acura, though. Shout out to my brother. He blessed me with this. I kept saying it was 2004. Found out it was 2005. Yeah. Nice little leather seats. It's a little mess right now. Look, bro, I dropped my fucking ashtray driving over here because there was hella traffic. This is the car, you feel me? Nice and beautiful. Came with CarPlay as well. Yup. This is actually not stock. It's not supposed to be cracked, but I think it looks really good. And I got the leather seats and shit. This is what you guys came here to see. This shit clean as f, though. I did some goofy shit. This is why I've been hesitant on showing you guys. But thankfully, it didn't dent. Look at this. Best part about this, VTEC, baby. We got VTEC. This is my first time I ever had VTEC, and I don't know how to act. I'm going 100 every morning on the freeway. Allegedly.
You must be rich.
Hell no.
Like gas before?
Oh, but look. Nice and new, bro. This is my first time having new headlights, bro. I've never, ever bought new headlights.
It doesn't feel like it sometimes.
I thought they were too skinny, I'm not gonna lie, when I first seen them.
No, they're perfect. Same.
Oh. New. Oh. New. And I know these are probably restorable, but... This is
real Honda.
This is a real Honda.
What are you looking for?
Oh, never mind. 3.2 V6 VTEC. Oh my god.
What menu? Yeah.
I never seen it with the front bumper off. That bitch look aggressive.
I know. I was looking.
It looked real aggressive without the front bumper on. keep showing you guys.
Se acostumbra uno va con el.
It's never been removed.
It's never been removed. Trash magnetized. Hell yeah.
Este creo que no creo.
Ooh. Papa strength right there.
I was about to say that.
Oh god, that's Papa. Oh!
This is not magnetic at all.
Where'd that shit go? Oh, I see it. I got that. I think there's just one more bolt there swing. Oh, there you go. Caught that in 4K, brother. I also heard, you know why I also got the whole headlight? I heard that it was harder to change the bulb.
Oh yeah.
Like by
We
itself.
always gotta take the whole.
Yeah.
The whole. You have to go through this process to get to change the bulbs.
Damn, just for the bulbs.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at that big ass piece. When I got it in the mail, I was like, ain't no way that goes into my headlights.
Yeah, that's
Dusty, yeah, they never been.
We gotta take this off.
Esa es la luz de los high beams.
Yeah. The blaster. Because then if the bulb still works, this might be what stopped working. Alright. Hell yeah, bro, got that.
We're looking at it like this.
Look, see, this is old.
So it doesn't.
Oh shit, this is the old. And this the new. Oh, then they even tape that up and shit. I'm so excited to see how it looks on the car though. Hell yeah.
You don't have to take none of that off, Papa.
No?
No, because
Well, no, because I have everything.
everything's okay.
So this is that port.
That's the top,
And then this is that port.
and that's the bottom.
That port.
The connect.
So we just need a bulb.
Yep, and the bulb is this
Right
part. My shit's over here getting warm. G's chest.
A few moments later.
Measuring everything up right now. We got the turn signal one. This one's the only one giving us a little bit of a struggle because
It was over here. This is the
seems to be missing a bracket.
No.
And then right here, we got the blaster, the igniter. I forgot what the fuck this is, but we got this on already. And then we got this light on. So the only thing we're kind of missing is this right here.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Apagado, parking light.
Parking light, ahí está.
Okay.
Good.
Regular light.
Regular light.
Okay.
High. Yep.
Ooh.
There it is.
All right, one more.
Ahí está.
High beam.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same one. What about the regular one?
Huh. Yeah, that one is missing.
One more click off. No, off. Now one and one more.
Okay, you see? No se prende.
Esa está vacía.
Oh, yeah.
No se prende.
I think it's just for the look.
No, because look.
Because that one's not even on either though. Unless they both just stop working then.
Oh, yeah.
I think they both just
¿Está
stop
en el high
working.
beam o en el low beam?
No, low beam.
Low beam. High beam it stays the same one. That one doesn't turn on at all.
It is the same label. Yeah. Yeah, in the off,
Yeah.
still off.
Oh, that's weird.
I
So,
think
yeah, no, this-
it might be for looks or they might just not work. Both of them.
Alright, turn 'em.
That might be it.
I mean, as long as you get...
I'm not gonna struggle too hard with
No, hell no. No, hell no.
Ahora sí. Ese es for show nomás para sopor.
I'm good.
Ahí está. Espérame.
We almost forgot that little metal frame right there. Nice.
Now it makes more sense.
We're in the operating table right now. As you guys can tell, we're taking apart the old one on the right side. No, left side.
Left side.
On the left side now. Let me show you guys. I was gonna just snap my fingers and do some little corny shit, but I decided to just show you guys. Bro. Leave a like and all that. But now we're on this side. Well,
Why can't no one ever listen to me?
catch you guys in a little bit. Heaver was right.
Hold it.
You know why I think it has it? Because since they sold this separately, because this was separate from this. I think this is for the OEM ones, just in case you do need the
so
grounding.
you just bought this.
Oh yeah,
In case
no.
that- in
Yeah,
case
this was separate. Exactly.
In case that guy goes bad, you just replace that.
Exactly. Because I didn't know if it was the bulb or the actual thing itself, so I just got both. Yeah.
You know what the saying? Echando a perder se aprende.
Exactly. So there was a lot of unnecessary spending for this one, but it's okay. It's okay.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go.
Nice.
Turn on signal?
You turn it on?
This is a signal light.
Oh, that's
This
the
is a signal light.
Oh, but the other one's on and that one's on.
No. Look, when you turn on the signal light, that one turns on, and this one turns on.
Alright, but
It's the same one. It's the same light as this.
All right, so I thought we were safe, but we're not. So I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone real quick, go get that light bulb, and then we should be good, because it is a process to put on that light bulb. So if you guys can see, one of them meets, but the other one doesn't. The one on the left isn't connecting. But we're gonna go to AutoZone, pick this up real quick, and then they're gonna do the rotors, the rear rotors real quick. So by the time we come back, they're probably gonna be finished because they're fast as fuck with it. We got the bag is secure, 7443 by B. We're gonna see if we put both on. Probably end up just putting one, but we'll see. Look at that. Nice and frozen. This one, we already put the other bulb in that we just went to go get. Oh, yeah. Go, wait. All right, go ahead. They'll finally be able to see me now.
One.
There you go, 1 and 1, yo. Watch how, oh, wait, hold on. Yeah. Don't blind, homie. Don't blind Big Papa. There you go. And then high beams. Jeez. Hey, they look blue.
I know.
They look sick. Holy shit. Oh, look at this little big booty bit right here in the air. Ooh-wee, look at it. Oh, also, okay, so I was gonna update guys. So unfortunately, we aren't gonna be able to do the rotors today because they have never been removed. We have lost 2 screwdrivers in the process. Rest in peace to the homies. So we only gonna do the brake pads, and we're gonna make sure that we not squeaking. And then I'm gonna try to return these, hopefully. Since we're not gonna need them, I'm gonna try to return these, get my money back. If not, then fuck it, we keep them. We is almost done though. Pictures. Do not condone drinking. Asco. So thankfully, even though we aren't gonna get to do the rotors, we caught it at a great time. So literally, wheels on, just need to be tying. Look at that bitch.
Sería de bumper ya está, ¿no?
Let me just take this shit off. Like that. Yeah. That's fine. Better than what it was. I thought it. Oh shit, man. Hey, it clipped in. Let's go. That shit clipped in. Alright, little Easter egg. Lock it.
Yeah. This is así bien.
Or unlock it, that's unlocked. And then.
When you lock it, un lock it es que se enciende. Yeah.
Jeez, that's sick.
Nice.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I don't know why my shit just stopped recording, whatever. Hopefully that didn't mess up. But basically, there's some shit that I want to show you guys real quick on the car now that we got the lights on. So, they're looking so fucking nice, bro. Right now that we in the light, you guys can actually see it. Only thing messing it up is that little yellow mark. Let's say for whatever reason, I'm faded. I forget to turn off the lights, right? You guys can see I'm faded. Oh no, I forgot, right? Soon as I go to lock it, you guys see? Lock that bitch, look at this shit. It turns off. And then, when I unlock it, it turns back on. Off, on. Off, on, that shit looks hard, bro. The rear brakes feel amazing. I actually returned the rotors as well. You guys can see a POV in here. This is regular, and then beams, bro. Look at how bright that is. Regular, beams. It turns off by itself once you close the door. Your light comes with features that I ain't even had before, bro. So it's like the best. It's the best part about this, bro. Unlocked a new level to this car with that. Jeffrey did say it might have been just because it's aftermarket, and he's noticed that a lot of aftermarket ones do that. I'm guessing because that's just getting along with the times, you feel me? That's just what it is now, standard. And a whole bunch of new cars, it's standard for it to have automatic lights, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but it's actually a big W what we just did today, bro. It was long awaited as well, oh God. I've been having the rotors in my trunk for at least, I want to say like at least a week or two, bro. I was telling you guys how I didn't need the rotors no more because I was going to change the rotors because I thought it was just going to equal out. You feel me? I changed the front ones. Might as well change the rear ones. The front ones, I definitely did need them. But then when we went to inspect the rear ones today, Jeffrey seen that I actually don't need it. I was saying we just switch them out just to switch them out, be safer. His pops agree with me. However, when he went to go do it, the screwdriver that he was using or whatever, he used 2 of them. They both broke. Basically, the rotor has never been changed since whoever got this car, and it's really on there. Hopefully it's not stripped either. As I showed you guys when we took off the brake pads, you guys could see that it still has some meat on there. It had a little bit of meat on the pad, but not too much. It feels good to be home though. It's about to be 9 o'clock, 9:30. Oh no, it's about to be 10, bro. We finna eat some good Wingstop. I'll probably show you guys, probably won't, probably will. I'll see. And then we're gonna enjoy this little baddie right here, even though struggling to focus. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I really hope you guys enjoyed regardless. Plenty of more car content to come because I still need to fix a couple more little things in here. So if you guys are looking forward to that, like always, turn on post notifications and all that good stuff so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload or when I'm going live. Sometimes I give you guys little updates when I'm live and stuff, so if you guys want to catch that, do so. That's basically about it for now. Camping vlog videos should be up, all of them by now, before you guys seen this one. We're just stacking these videos, bro, so that way I could, you know, produce as much as I can, still live stream, still go to work, still get shit done, still get my life together. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy the road. Like, subscribe, and share. Catch you guys in the next one. Big cheers. Peace. Alright, I know your big back want to see this shit. Oh, look at this motherfucker. And then we got some mango habanero right here. Oh, brother. I'm fucking starving. Look at that voodoo fries. And then some nice little tenders for shorty. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.